Peter.
Hi, Lars.
I want to install a free innovaphone app to show how easy it is to install an app from the innovaphone App Store. So I share my screen. First of all,
Okay.
I want to have a free app from innovaphone. I click on innovaphone AG and free of charge. And when I take a look at the apps, I want to show how to install the calculator app. May you help me?
Yes, okay. Please go to your myApps and then click on the PBX Manager.
Yes.
And then you need the app installer. You can find
This
it.
one
Yes.
here. Okay.
Okay. And now you get all installed apps and also the UI for all apps. So we need a new app. So we go to all apps, choose innovaphone, and then we take a look and find the calculator app, click on it, and select your version. Yes, this is right. And you say install.
Yes, terms of use. Yes, I accept it. And now the app is being installed.
Yes, now you have installed the app in your backend. So please switch to the myApps UI and close the PBX Manager.
Okay.
And then go to the PBX Manager again, because it must load the new apps. And now we can take a look on all the apps. And
here is the
there
calculator
is the
app.
Calculator. Now you add an app.
Okay, with the calculator app.
The name is the name you see in your myApps. You can name it calculator.
Okay.
The zip is just for system settings. And now you can add it to the config user if you want to give this app for all your users.
Okay.
Click OK.
That's it.
And now take a look at your apps. There is the calculator, and you can use it.
Okay. Here you can see the easy mode and the advanced mode. That's all. Thanks, Peter. And thanks for all the visitors, and see you at the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.